noise for Kevin Sapp. In this life, how are you, Tani? Come, bros. For this life, get money. Whatever you do, get money. Because when you get money, people will treat you with respect. See people who sit down for table. In money, one name. I salute you, boss. See people with the table treated with respect. See regular people behind cage. Like saying a zoo nowadays. Don't worry. The God that did it for him money will do it for you. You know, say everything where they design for this life is to oppress poor men. You don't ever day you want to enter plane. You know, they notice where then they first load business class people first. Then they will go load economy. Economy will go pass where business class day. You don't ever day maybe now your wife you they follow travel. As soon as they pass, you they see your mate. Then they drink juice. Plane never go anywhere. They don't drink juice. Your wife now go to ask you, not be the same walk when they walk. And waiting to annoy me. All of you now we don't get money. Yes, I know your children should not suffer the way you suffered, but they should suffer small. How can small pikin of 4 years old, they enter business class seats of 800 and something thousand? Then the anointing, those children, they will come, they jump on top of the chair. When I pass, they beat them. Come on, sit down. You know how many years it take me to fight? Come on, sit down. And then when I go come there, that this seat, they form. I don't know once, would they travel with my family? With the business economy. I don't know if you know business economy. That's the front seat of economy. You understand? Because then we carry small baby, so we the front seat of economy. Now, peace can't catch me. I look the toilet far. I can't just see the premium economy toilet just there here. So as a geography student, I look, this distance is longer than this one. I just use leg, enter. Use the toilet, come and one woman waited there. You know this kind of look. Your size, you know that kind of like, how can you bring your economy piece to our premium toilets? Are you stupid? You know? And now what don't spoil? Before, you go to club like this, you go see your church member, you go hide. Now you dey club, now your church member, they can't greet you. Brother, da. Pour me Hennessy. You blessed my life last week. I don't dey club now. We dey dance. We dey rock. Sucker. Everybody. The next thing, DJ just people with the club begin it down. You are the living God. Oh. Where shock me now? Where somebody saying, ice bucket. No one. Two champagne for them. You are, I say, no fear again. Now the one where they tire me now technology. Anybody will know Mark Zuckerberg, warn them. Mark Zuckerberg will soon break people's marriage. You know, say now if you go Instagram, if you go DM, you go feel no person where they active at that moment. They put green light there in picture. They will come show you active 38 minutes ago. Imagine say you and your husband just talk around past 11. Tell him good night. Only for you as you want to go peace. You just open your DM, see your Instagram. After 3:30 a.m. Husband James active 5 minutes ago. Waiting me they find there. The one now where Zuckerberg won't do for WhatsApp now. You know, say for WhatsApp, when you see all those last seen 6:38 p.m. or if depending online, go see online. Now, the new one where they want to do. You know me? If I get your number, bros, what's your name, sir? Your name, sir? You don't get a name? Okay, Collins. Now, if I get your number, I want chat with you, Yomi. You now they chat with Collins. The thing go come right. Yomi is chatting with Collins. If I don't get Collins' number, the thing will show Yomi is chatting with 080-33412. Imagine say person wife open to chat her husband up around 4 a.m. Come see, hobby is chatting with 080333161. The wife will you call the number by that time. Hello, who is this? Hello, you're welcome to Edible Train Service. There will be problem. It's unnecessary. But one thing I don't come find out for this life now, election they come. Very soon they go begin divide us. Last time they say, hey, they want to Islamize the nation. Nothing. Christians and Muslims are the same. They do wedding. We do wedding. Them they do wedding. They call it nikai. Then they do child dedication. Then they do akia. Then get 4 wives. We get 1 wife and 3 girlfriends. We are all together. The other time they come and say, hey, Biafra. They want to. Nobody should divide Biafra. Because me, I married from Igbo land and I did not plan to have half-caste children. If I wanted half-caste children, I would find Lebanese marry. The annoying part, if they do them now, people like Fino and Flavor, they don't turn foreign artists. If then they come Lagos, come perform, they say, all the way from Biafra, let's welcome Fino. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, if you like this video, it's simple. Subscribe to the FunnyBone comedy channel by clicking on the red button to subscribe and the bell button beside it for notifications. And trust me, it will watch your time and energy. FunnyBone says so. Laughter all the way. Stick around.